Efforts are underway right now to open a new nonprofit emergency veterinary hospital, which would be the first of its kind in the Rochester area.
It comes as VSES in Brighton, the area's only emergency facility, announced plans to close. It plans to shut down 1 week from today. Natalie Kutchko joins us with more after speaking with one of the local veterinarians behind this new practice. Natalie.
Adam, Teresa, 3 local vets are stepping up with the goal to bring extended services to Rochester by the end of January. But they can't do it alone and are calling on the community to contribute so this type of care isn't lost locally.
Hi, Georgia. Hi, baby girl.
Dr. Brenda Buck owns Animal Hospital of Rochester on University Avenue. That's where she and 2 colleagues plan to introduce Rochester Emergency Veterinary Services by January's end.
At the end of the summer, knowing that they were going to close for good, it became a real big drive where a group of us were starting to talk, like, what can we do? Because the community just can't be without overnight care.
In January 2022, VSES, the Rochester area's only 24-hour emergency vet hospital, cut overnight hours over staff shortages. Back in August, hours were cut again before the parent company, Thrive Pet Healthcare, announced VSES would close altogether by the end of November. Dr. Buck says her team wants to keep the new practice community-centered. They've applied for a 501c3 and are seeking donations toward their cause.
We all know what happened when corporate took over to VSES. They've been there for almost 30 years, and now our community is stuck. And so one of the driving forces is we wanted to develop something that really takes care of our community, that can't be taken over by corporate, and allows us to prioritize our staff, our patients, and our community. In order to do this, we really do need the community support.
With the nearest form of emergency vet care in Buffalo or Syracuse, they're actively hiring to begin operations overnights and on weekends.
Our goal initially is to meet the critical needs of patients that aren't stable. We ask that people be patient with that. I know we're going to be inundated and overwhelmed, but we are going to work really hard to meet the needs of our clients and patients that need that help.
The vets have a fundraising goal of $200,000. Those interested in making a donation or learning more about the plans to open can find all the details on our website, rochesterfirst.com. In the studio, Natalie Kutchko, News 8.